Hello. No news day today. Market looks bullish. London lows and Asian lows are intact. Looks like the market's gonna do this before it pumps back up, or it just keep moving through the weekly highs and keep going from there on. It doesn't have to like come back and go, but if it does, we can like cash on those moves. Keep going from there on. It doesn't have to like come back and go, but if it does, we can like cash on those moves. The market has opened. Looks like it did a manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, and it's distributing higher right now. Yeah, looks like it. If we get an opportunity on the way up, we'll take this trade. Let's see what S&P 500 MES is doing right now. Okay, ES hasn't taken these highs, but NQ, okay, my bad. Yeah, NQ has taken those highs. ES is yet to take those highs. This move looks like a fractal manipulation towards upside. Staying patient. YM looks super bullish compared to ES and NQ. Just through this candle, what it did here. Just a big boat, small boat scenario here. NQ is stronger than ES and YM right now. Okay. ES took the high to, let's see where it got to go next. Yeah, NQ's target is near than the ES. Yup, that's what it looks like. If I get an opportunity over here, I'm gonna take to these highs. Look for an inversion on 15 seconds. Need a proper inversion, maybe this inversion, or create go below and create another inversion from something like that. So I can buy it here and put my stop loss below these. Or if I get an inversion above this, I'll put my stop loss at the consequent encroachment. The market's been bullish the whole day. I can't anticipate the markets to go bearish all of a sudden. Just need to follow the trend right now. And if we get an opportunity here, we can take to these highs and take a partial out there because these can offer resistance, a small resistance. Because we are trading on 15 seconds and 1 minute might stop us out and take up a higher. Looks good. There's been a big gap below though, starting out. It's taking a lot of time here. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Looks like it's gonna rip up here higher from here. If it's gonna take a long time here, I'm gonna close the trade. Wait with patience here. Yeah, I do see a lot of wicks. It's wicking above. Staying patient here. Looking for it to rip up higher right now. Up, up. Beautiful, beautiful. Still got 30 seconds here. We'll look for how this candle closes right now. Beautiful. Yeah, it's been wicking. 4 seconds. Yeah, no, doesn't look nice. I'm gonna move my stop to break even right now. If it goes, it goes. Up. Looking good right now. Think, yeah, Yeah, I'm gonna move it to here. Give it some wiggle room to play around. Target 2R. Looking bad. Close it right here. Hmm. Yeah, we look for another setup right now. Since the opening, there hasn't been a single imbalance of fair value gap. Close it at the right time right now, I guess. Would have been gotten out here. So yeah, good risk management right here. You can see, look at how the candles are playing out. They're pushing up higher, but the market is not letting it to rip up higher. So that's one sign. It doesn't want to rip up higher right now, for now. That's all. Nice. That was amazing. My bias was right. But yeah, got a little confused with the reaction right here. Come on, rip up higher. Yep. Looking beautiful right here. Yeah, it has taken the previous day high. It's gonna be a break even, or it's gonna be a 2 hour right now. Miscalculated the quantity right here. Should have entered with 6 contracts. Entered with 3 contracts instead of 6 contracts. I'm gonna hold this trade. Looking good right now. Beautiful, beautiful reaction. I'm gonna ride this wave. Stop loss is right here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Happy for this today. 274. Not bad. Beautiful done for the day. Nice risk management right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Adios.